help you study smart and rock those grades. Are you ready? Let's get started. Tip number 1. Make them colorful. Use different pens and highlighter to make studying a visual feast. Trust me, it makes learning much more fun. Tip number 2. The Pomodoro technique. In that, set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on your study or homework. Take a break of 5 minutes. It's like a mini adventure for your brain. Tip number 3. Turn your lessons into stories. Yes, imagine your math problems has a character having adventures or your historical events having epic tales. Yes, it's like creating your own storybook of knowledge. Tip number 4. Quiz yourself. Quiz time. Make studying a game. Quiz yourself or ask a friend to quiz you. It's a fun way to reinforce what you have learned. Remember, learning is an adventure. Tip number 5. Take breaks. It's essential to recharge your brain. Take a long walk or dance a little or take a healthy snack. Your brain is going to thank you. And here you have it. Your quick guide to study smart. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your study buddy. Subscribe for more awesome hacks.